Most battles in life don't happen in public. They don't happen on a stage. They don't happen in front of an audience. They happen in silence. They happen when nobody is watching, when the room is dark, when the phone screen goes off, when the noise fades. That's when it starts. A quiet voice, not loud, not aggressive, just persistent. It questions you, doubts you, reminds you of everything you've ever failed at. It tells you why you shouldn't try, why you shouldn't risk it, why you should wait, why you should stay exactly where you are. And the scariest part? That voice sounds like you. You see, most people think their biggest problems are outside of them. They think it's money, or lack of opportunity, or the economy, or their past, or the people around them. But the truth is far more uncomfortable. The biggest enemy you will ever face lives inside your own head, your mind. The same mind that can imagine greatness can also convince you that you don't deserve it. The same mind that can build dreams can also destroy them before they even begin. Your mind is a weapon, but if you don't know how to use it, it will turn against you. Think about it. How many times have you wanted to change your life, but didn't? Not because you couldn't, but because you hesitated, you overthought, you waited for the right moment. You told yourself you'd start tomorrow, and tomorrow never came. That wasn't laziness, that was fear wearing a logical mask. Your mind is incredibly clever. It doesn't scream at you to quit. It whispers. It says, just rest today. You deserve a break. You're not ready yet. Let's wait until things are perfect. And you listen, because it feels reasonable. But what your mind is really doing is protecting you from discomfort, not from failure, from feeling uncomfortable. Here's something nobody tells you. Your mind does not care about your dreams. It doesn't care about your potential. It doesn't care about the life you imagine. It has one job: to keep you safe. Not successful, safe. And safety to your brain means familiarity. The known, the routine, the predictable, even if that routine is slowly killing your spirit. That's why people stay in jobs they hate, relationships that drain them, lives that feel empty, because it's familiar, and the brain prefers familiar pain over unfamiliar possibility. This is why change feels terrifying, not because you're weak, but because your brain interprets change as danger. When you try something new, your mind doesn't see opportunity, it sees threat. What if you fail? What if people judge you? What if you embarrass yourself? What if you try and nothing changes? So it pulls you back, again and again and again. Most people never realize this. They think their thoughts are facts. They believe every doubt, every fear, every excuse. They assume, if I feel this way, it must be true. But feelings are not facts. Thoughts are not commands. They are suggestions, and most of them are lies. Look at the people you admire, the ones who inspire you, the ones whose discipline, confidence, or success you wish you had. Do you really think they never felt fear? Do you think they woke up motivated every day, confident every time, ready every moment? No. They felt the same resistance, the same doubt, the same internal chaos. The difference? They didn't obey it. They understood something most people never learn. You don't wait until your mind agrees. You act anyway. Your mind says, I'm tired. You move. Your mind says, I can't. You try. Your mind says, quit. You take one more step, and then another. Not because it feels good, but because it's necessary. This is how mental strength is built. Not through motivation, not through affirmations, but through action. Repeated action in the presence of resistance. Let me tell you something important. You don't become confident before you do hard things. You become confident because you did hard things. Confidence is earned, not imagined. Think of your mind like a wild animal. If you let it roam freely, it will chase comfort. It will avoid effort. It will run from pain. But if you train it, slowly, consistently, it becomes disciplined, focused, reliable. Discipline is not punishment, it's direction. It's you deciding who's in control. People love to talk about motivation, but motivation is unreliable. It comes and goes. Discipline stays. Discipline shows up when motivation disappears. And the strongest people on earth aren't the most motivated. They're the most disciplined. There's a reason discomfort creates growth. Because every time you do something hard, your brain learns a new lesson. I survived. And the next time fear shows up, it's weaker. Pain doesn't break you. Avoidance does. Every time you avoid something difficult, you teach your brain to fear it more. Every time you face it, you shrink its power. This is why small challenges matter. Cold showers, early mornings, physical exertion, mental focus. Not because they're special, but because they teach your brain that you don't run when things get uncomfortable. Your environment also shapes your mind. What you watch, what you listen to, what you scroll through. If you constantly consume negativity, comparison, distractions, your mind becomes chaotic, weak, restless. Your brain absorbs everything, and whatever you feed it becomes your inner voice. Choose wisely. Another powerful skill most people never develop? Emotional control. Not suppressing emotions, observing them. When something triggers you, pause. Ask yourself, why does this affect me? Instead of reacting instantly, respond intentionally. This single habit can change your life, because when emotions stop controlling you, clarity appears. You begin to realize something profound. You are not your thoughts. You are the one watching them. And once you understand that, you gain power. Fear still shows up. Doubt still whispers. But now, you recognize it. And instead of obeying it, you move forward anyway. This is the moment everything shifts. Life stops happening to you and starts happening because of you. Make no mistake, training your mind is hard. It's uncomfortable. It's lonely. It requires consistency when nobody applauds. But so is staying the same. So is regret. So is waking up years later and realizing you never tried. You will feel pain either way, the pain of discipline or the pain of regret. Choose wisely, because at the end of your life, you won't regret the effort. You'll regret the chances you didn't take, the potential you didn't explore, the person you never became. Your mind can be your prison or your weapon, your enemy or your greatest ally. The war is already happening. The question is, are you aware of it? And, more importantly, who's winning?